Make it homogeneous or homogenized, doesn't matter. Wow, this is so good. Oh my god.